Bonjour, mon ami. Come here. Welcome to Come Dine With Me.
Today, me and Vibo brought in a bunch of our stupid friends. And we decided to host them for a lunch. At the end of the day, they will be ranking our hosting skills. Welcome to Come Dine With Me.
Come on in. Let me show me around. Okay, come on with me. So we've got the beautiful table set up here. Okay, yes, we love this. You wanna walk around with me? Come here. Now, we've got our own spin the wheel with 4 feet on them. Okay, so that's gonna be crazy. Now, come with me. We've got our own kitchen. And our head chef for the day, the Godfather himself. And I'm supposed to be his sous chef, but he's just fucking around.
I'm not doing
The
anything.
fuck I do? That's right. Anna, sorry Anna. Abhi chop off your dick. Anna, aapki gand mein karna. See, you can see spaghetti. And we have got some of the scariest food items on here. These are one of the hottest. Shush! Shut his mouth. Shanice, you need to shut up. You are gay.
While this buffoonery was going on, some of the guests had already arrived.
Hello.
Hello.
Ciao. Welcome. Ciao.
Is this like a thing?
Yes.
Is this a bit?
Yes. Ciao.
तुम्हारी कहाँ गई?
निकल गई.
अबे तेरी असली तो है.
Ciao. This is Ariano Viminity.
Ciao,
And
हमारे घर
we
आओ.
have the Godfather with us. And we welcome you
Godfather. अपने हाथ दिखाइए.
to the dining table.
And like that, all the guests had arrived. And it was time for them to read the menu.
Okay.
What does it say? Oh, come dine with me. Oi, ravioli. Okay, Adriano Indian Viven and touch. the Godfathers. First, we have nacho business.
Sounds real Mexican.
Yeah, punchline. इसमें vodka डाल दे.
Chole bhature sounds sensational.
Yeah.
Very exotic.
भाई हल्दीराम में छोले भटूरे मुआ.
And of course, you have to end it on a very sweet note. So we've got what the fudge.
अच्छा क्या लिखा है? Warm fudgy brownie meets cool creamy ice cream. A love story sweeter than your last relationship. It's all right, bro. It's all right, bro.
What do I say? Shut your bitch ass up. I'll do the interview. रेस्टोरेंट का नाम है ओए रवि ओई.
Okay. नहीं.
ओए रवि ओई तो है.
Ravioli है.
रवि लिखा है.
Ravioli. ओ L है यहाँ पे.
ओली रवि ओली.
तूने रवि वही बोली.
देखो भाई कम डाइन विद मी.
भाई ऐसे तो गेट नहीं निकलना.
गेट का पेपर हो गया ऑलरेडी. और वहाँ एक इंग्लिश का क्वेश्चन ही खराब करा था मैंने. देख भाई. देख भाई.
रुक. See.
Nacho business. It has loaded, cheesy, crunchy goodness, and that's definitely nacho average snack.
What is a nacho average snack?
Not your average snack. Not your average snack को nacho.
Oh. Okay.
We didn't know we were at a cringe restaurant, bro. What is this? They're trying to be zesty and funny. छोले भटूरे. I'm really excited for the छोले भटूरे.
हाँ छोले भटूरे तो खाऊंगा मैं.
उसके अलावा बहुत ठीक ही लग रहा है.
Punchline was peak. Punchline was
हाँ,
very good.
Nacho business is good.
हाँ.
Nuggets and tatters.
Nuggets was really nice. I don't know what tatters are.
टैटर्स उसके साइड में वो फ्रेंच फ्राइज आए थे जो. अब पता नहीं नगेट्स एंड फ्राइज लिख सकते थे तुम. गधे कहेंगे एक्स्ट्रावेगेंट मिंस मीट सोर्स फ्रॉम द ब्यूटीफुल फार्म्स ऑफ सिसिली.
ब्रो वेंकीज का है ना वो.
डीप फ्राइड स्ट्रेट ऑनटू योर प्लेट्स. फ्रोजन चिकन नगेट्स एंड फ्रोजन फ्राइज. हमें लगा हम कोई अच्छे 5-स्टार रेस्टोरेंट में आए हैं, ये साले भाई
And then warm fudgy brownie meets cool creamy ice cream. A love story sweeter than your last relationship.
तेरा लास्ट रिलेशनशिप कब था भाई?
ये कभी था ही नहीं, मैं तो टॉकिंग स्टेज नहीं हुआ आज तक जिंदगी में.
तुम्हारे लिए तो स्वीटर ही होगा.
Okay, we have nacho business. Loaded क्या cheesy crunchy goodness. That's definitely nacho average snack. Nacho average snack. Nuggets and taters. Extravagant minced meat sourced from the beautiful farms of Sicily, deep fried straight onto your plates.
चिकन नगेट्स, फ्रोजन चिकन नगेट्स का काफी
Venky's
एक्सट्रावेगेंट
क्या है?
वर्जन.
Punchline is boredom in the face and okay, looking forward to this. High expectations. What the fudge? Warm fudgy brownie meets cool creamy ice cream. A love story sweeter than your last relationship. I really hope it is.
Chicken nuggets. Unstoppable today.
So ये frozen direct डाल देना.
हाँ जी बस.
Sorry to barge in guys, but as you can see most of the footage following is corrupted and we had lost the audio because of our camera work. So we just wanted to tell you that what is happening right now. We served the guest with some appetizers. The appetizers had nachos with salsa and also some chicken nuggets and french fries. They all loved it. We also played the game of treasure hunt where we hid some blueberry cheesecake toffees all around the house, and then the person who had found the most will win a reward. So keep tuned in to find out who won it and who lost, and keep seeing.
Yes, I'm going to jump on top of him and I'm going to break both of our faces.
Wow, okay, sure. Yeah, I would love to see that. No, no, I have good. Don't break the sofa, बाकी सब सही.
सोफा कैसे टूटेगा? उसके पैंट नीचे गया था.
Only tit grabbing, no punches. Tit grab.
Sorry, buddy.
Tit grab. Stomach grabs. Nice. Tit grab to करना. Nice grip. Get under it. Yes. Get under it. Yes.
Take.
Thanks. Oh yeah.
Anyone pin down. We need a pin.
हम करो.
अरे शोल्डर नहीं शोल्डर नहीं
Ding.
हो गया, टिक हो गया.
अबे शोल्डर नीचे कर दे.
आप हारे क्यों?
हाँ, I don't have the dog in me anymore. सुल्तान अब रिंग में नहीं जाएगा.
This is me. This is you.
Enough time has passed.
ठीक है ना? Know yourself. This is me. This is you. आज शाम को
नगेट्स आ रहे क्या और?
नगेट्स आ रहे हैं तो we are just standing here to.
Wait, you can leave.
We are just gonna do quality testing. So ऐसे वो जहर वहर ना हो.
Table salt.
नमक है?
Table
सही
salt.
में? खाने में नमक कम तो था.
ACL.
खाने में नमक तो कम था.
Capital N small a capital C small L.
ये ना 10th graders देखेंगे ना वीडियो, they will be like, oh, I get that reference. But if you empty it, fill it. मैंने कुछ empty करा नहीं. If you dirty it, clean it. If you open it, close it. If you cook it, share it.
So you better share the chicken nuggets.
तो हम थोड़ा ना कर रहे हैं, हम तो टेस्टिंग में हैं.
Wait, they are sharing.
We are doing quality assurance. We'll check each nugget. हाँ वो nuggets हैं sir. I mean
थोड़े कच्चे
दिखाओ.
कच्चे रह गए. नहीं कोई इशू नहीं.
विराय क्या है?
उस साइड से.
Hydraulic press.
What do I do?
You have to act like
You are a hydraulic press. We'll give you some stuff to crush.
Okay, हाँ. No.
और थोड़ा twist तो कर.
You're getting flattened.
अबे
Ain't no way. Stop.
ये चाइनीज है?
No, you have to talk.
I defeated it.
Oh my god.
कटोरा हटा
ओए अबे मैं बैठ गया.
Massage.
हाँ यार थोड़ा
I fucking love giving massages, bro.
No, you are receiving a massage.
Oh fuck.
So there are good things and bad.
I mean
Upper back पढ़ाई वाली मसाज.
Shit, मैं वो करना चाहिए था.
There are forfeits or this thing.
कुछ नहीं. I got dared. किस डेयर है क्या?
नहीं.
वो क्या है?
और भी
कुछ
beer
नहीं
निकाल
होगा.
दे।
Thank you.
There is multiple. Okay, make a read.
Mama, me want milkies.
This is what exactly you're gonna do. This is exactly what we want you to do.
best.
Mama, may I have the milkies?
Oh my god.
That's what the reel said, bro. That's what the reel said.
सही है, ठीक है, fair enough. He did it.
I'm right where I want to be.
Second hand
He
embarrassment.
did it, bro. He did it. Respect.
Nah, I will never look you the same way, bro.
यार
कर दे भाई.
okay.
Anur, this ain't even a lap dance.
Oh my god.
Just open your eyes.
Just touch him. Just touch कर. $50 में तो छू पाएगा मुझे.
Phyllis meter. Phyllis meter to take her home.
I would say when I first heard that we are going to be served punchline here, I was excited. Not only excited, I was also a little hesitant to be excited. Because you never know what you're going to get in life. You know, when life gives you lemons, you make potatoes, whatever the saying is. But I didn't know what to expect with punchline. But then the first sip of that refreshing liquid that went inside my mouth, it was, to say the least, the sweetness burst inside my blood cells. I could feel it in my ribs. I could feel it in my floating ribs.
Are you sure you were not having a stroke?
And the fruits, okay, the strawberries were very well cut, very well diced. There was pineapple.
साले सैलेड थोड़ी ना था, ड्रिंक थी.
Pineapple was very good.
वो नहीं खाना था, वो सिर्फ उसमें छोड़ के रखना था उसको.
वो
तूने
खाना-
नहीं खाना था, पागल है क्या?
नहीं, what I did was I drank I drank it full and then मैंने glass उल्टा करके मुंह खोला and I ate all the fruits. You can't waste fruits, man. कहाँ जाते हो?
Okay guys, apart from that, let's get to Nacho Business did not have anything cheesy in it.
I think that's a fraud.
Fraud.
Yeah.
The biggest fraud, however.
छोले भटूरे नहीं मिले.
छोले भटूरे नहीं मिले. You are saying there are 3 snacks here. Honestly, like look at your menu. Nacho Business, Punchline, Nuggets and Taters. What the fudge? Chole fucking bhature. Nacho Business is starters. Nuggets and Taters seems like snacks. Punchline is the drink. What the fudge is the fucking dessert. Why the fuck did you guys write chole bhature?
Why?
Where the fuck is the main dish?
Okay, so the punchline was very, very good.
The
Like took
salsa
like 3
was.
servings. And the nacho ka salsa was like absolutely fucking amazing. Actually बनाई है वो घर पे. Seriously, very, very good job on that. छोले भटूरे का भी सीन समझ नहीं आ रहा. Everyone's a bit dodgy about it.
And I don't think you can ever go wrong with chicken nuggets. So chicken nuggets तो
Yeah, pretty much. What the fudge अभी तो time है उसमें.
अभी तो I'm waiting for that.
So first of all, the nachos were insane. And what was even better than the nachos was the punchline. It punched me in the face. Yes, but nachos के साथ हमने salsa भी खाया था भाई. Oh, क्या
Salsa was lips back
Oh my god, Mamma Mia.
was truly Mexican.
हाँ, and like the nuggets are also very good. उसमें पेरी पेरी भी डाला हुआ था इन लोगों ने. So the nuggets and the fries they were बहुत tasty थे. मतलब generally nuggets are very bland, but Endoka nuggets were especially like tasty, flavorful. मतलब warm, soulful, and exciting.
Is it good? Does it look good?
Yes. Wow.
Wow.
क्या मेरी प्लेट ले जाओ.
हाँ, just give your plates.
भाई ओजस को दो यार पहले.
बस हो गया, अब तो सब आ जाएगा.
Thank you. Wow. कनिष्क यार दिखाओ पूरा.
बेचारा.
खाना खाया नहीं है, डकार पहले मार रहे हैं.
भाई
कांच है यहाँ. ऑलिव ऑयल वाला कौन सा है?
ऑलिव ऑयल आ रहा है ऊपर से डालेंगे ना. एक्स्ट्रा चीज वाला कौन सा था?
एक्स्ट्रा चीज वाला नहीं होता. सब नहीं अच्छा खासा है. This is really good.
पास्ता बहुत अच्छा है.
You have outdone yourself. I'm sure your parents are proud. Yeah.
तीन है भाई, उससे भी कम हो गया.
What are you?
What are you?
ऐसे लोगों के लिए मेरी नौकरी काम में आती, साइकोलॉजिस्ट की.
Let's talk. They're having a really nice time apparently, and apparently chicken is also juicy.
Yes.
Okay, it's been hectic. बहुत दिमाग ख़राब हुआ है मेरा इस पूरे इवेंट में. Also चिकन में हमने बहुत लेजीनेस दिखाई चिकन बनाने में.
Last moment हम छोड़ने वाले थे चिकन को.
चिकन को छोड़ने वाले थे, but नहीं, we are like नहीं, we will do
We
it.
pushed it through
And
it.
yeah, we some
And we got auntie to cook it.
एक ही हो गया,
एक
एक ही
हो
हो
गया.
गया. तो 6 और कर देना. ठीक है. This did not happen.
We have improvised. Improvisation has been made. We have made chocolate milk, and we are going to warm it up with some brownies and then provide it to
It's
them.
been very long भाई, इतना लंबा दिन गया ना हमारा. Please cameraman मत कर भाई, मत कर.
Cameraman पिटे.
Somehow we have done some shit.
Cameraman might die.
It was so tiring. It was so tiring.
My God.
Genuinely never doing this shit again. Yeah, so we did not have ice cream. Somehow we did not. So we had to improvise right now. So
I like this more than ice cream honestly.
What did you put inside it?
Is that just milk or?
Chocolate milk.
chocolate milk.
चोको मिल.
So we just make chocolate milk अभी जो पहला ingredient मिला हमने. We
Nice.
just made it.
This is the Cadbury hot chocolate wala powder.
Nutella.
Like the combo is very good.
Ma'am, I have not missed
We
today.
killed it भाई. हमने क्या crazy किया है.
भाई हर हफ्ते को
भाई मैं तुझे भी एक लैप डांस दे दूंगा. आर्यन शुक्र.
मैं और भाई
literally every 2 weeks करिए भाई.
बजट है नहीं.
Punchline 8 out of 10. 100%. Nacho business 7.5 out of 10.
But the salsa was a
Salsa
solid
was
8.
amazing.
Solid
Salsa was a
8
solid 9 I'm telling you.
Yeah, 9.
Nuggets and taters 9 out of 10. Very solid. Now coming to the main course. The pasta I would say is 10.5 out of 10.
Oh my
Pasta
god.
with the cheese and with the olive oil, the pasta
Pasta was
was
just
my
something
God.
else. Pasta was something.
Pasta is 10.5 out
I
of
would
10.
like to
100%.
thank myself.
Chicken could have been beaten a little more, but I would say 7 out of 10 for the
Chicken
chicken.
was
much
made
of
in a
a-
rush job.
Okay, so chicken breast 7 out of 10.
Okay.
The pasta 10.5 out of 10 though, easily 11 out of 10.
But let's come to the fudge.
The fudge, I think
They asked the real question, like what the fudge, because that was just something else.
what was done in such an innovative manner in such a short time. That
was
since
some-
you guys did
that
not
was
have
some
ice cream,
serious-
you
serious
innovated and
gourmet
went with
shit.
chocolate milk. That was
some
very creative
serious
thinking,
gourmet shit.
Thank you.
and it worked out very perfectly.
Thank you very
So
much.
yeah, even the fudge was brilliant.
Brilliantly done.
Vibes
The
of day.
vibes can never go wrong in the Vimal residence.
Wild. Especially when you two wrestled. He lost, by the way. He let me down.
I'm sorry.
Overall ratings for the day. For
10 out
this,
of
come
10.
dine with me.
10
I
out
would
of 10.
say 9 out of 10. 1 for the chicken.
Okay.
Okay, in that sense, like 9.5 out of 10, 0.5 for the chicken.
It was a very eventful day, definitely.
Pasta was amazing.
Yeah,
Cheese on the pasta was amazing.
very nice.
The olive
The
oil
chicken
on
breast.
pasta was amazing.
The chicken breast.
The pasta में जो white और चीज़ें डाली थी, that was amazing. The spoon I had with pasta after I was done with pasta was amazing. The plate that had a little bit of cheese left from the pasta, and when I had it with my finger, was amazing. Yes.
I think we can safely say that pasta was
Yeah, pasta was amazing. Chicken was nice. The brownie and
what the fudge was definitely very nice.
What
And
the
it
fudge was definitely nice because what the fudge you just made a new dish, by the way. So
No, and also it was definitely sweeter than my last relationship, as it says on the menu.
नहीं मेरा नहीं था, मेरा last relationship थोड़ा ज़्यादा अच्छा था.
And the lap dance.
Yes.
Clip डाल देंगे हम lap dance की.
हाँ क्या पास्ता की बात हो रही है? नहीं पास्ता अच्छा था ना.
9.5 out of 10.
9.4 out of 10. And उसमें से जो 9 है ना वो पास्ता के लिए, वो 0.4 बाकी है.
The pasta and the chicken. Oh my god. With the olive oil, जो गांड फटी, and the saltiness of the chicken was perfect when you pair it with the pasta. Pasta cut the saltiness of the chicken. But tasty था. And the main showstopper for me personally was the brownie, because the brownie, the thing is that we guys run out of ice cream, so जो invention तुम लोगों ने करी, brownie with milk, Hershey's milk, and जो गरम किया था उसे, bro, life changing. I never thought of it ever.
I think the best thing about the chicken was like the flavor of the chicken. जो breadcrumb था क्या वो? That was breadcrumbs, no? The fruit punch, I'm gonna learn it from you guys because that was fucking amazing.
Yeah.
Overall, 20 on 10.
Yeah. Same. Would show up again with a bottle of
100%.
wine.
Obviously, bro. अगली बार wine लेंगे.
10 on 10. ये मैं फेंक नहीं वाला था टी-शर्ट.
How can chocolate?
Oh,
Try कर.
la la la.
Oh,
That's way too much.
बहुत लाल हो रखा है.
इसमें क्या है भाई?
वही
जल रहा है. साले तूने तो आधा खाया, दिमाग खराब है तेरा, उसका चेहरा देख.
अबे तूने बहुत ज़्यादा खा लिया विभोर.
He's gone.
bro.
अबे इसके मुंह में चिपको साले वो वाला.
It's not very long drawn. अब जा रहा है.
नहीं, हाँ देख इसको आ रही है, देख इसको.
गांड भरा.
ओए दे.
Fucking hell.
हाँ विकी. That was come time with me.
पानी का
It was fun.
पानी तो हमने पिया नहीं इसलिए दूध वगैरह
Yeah, don't forget to subscribe.
तो धीरे धीरे
Bye.
Hit the bell icon.
क्या होगा